In this video I will show you how to easily remove background step-by-step tutorial in Adobe Photoshop. Unlock this layer. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Right-click and choose Select and Mask. Select Refine Hair Edge Brush tool. Select the plus icon. Adjust the brush size. View Overlay. Choose Color is red. Refine Mode Color Aware. Adjust the radius. Follow these settings. Now we will run this brush along the sides of the hair. Click on Decontaminate Color. Amount to 100. Output to select New Layer with Layer Mask. Press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Now you can select your own background color. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.